Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Lords of the Fallen error code LOTF2_WinGDK_shipping. As per our research, this error appears repeatedly during gameplay, especially when fighting the boss in the depths. The issue leads to crashes or disruptions that stop the game from progressing smoothly. According to our research, the error is likely related to corrupted game files, outdated drivers, or system performance issues. First, try verifying and repairing the game files. This will check for any missing or corrupted files and fix them automatically. So if the issue is caused by any corrupt or missing game files, then this may fix the issue. If the error still comes, try turning all your in-game settings down to the lowest. Lowering the settings may help reduce the load on your system and prevent the error. So try this and see if this helps. If the error persists, then make sure your graphics drivers are up to date. Also, check if your game or gaming device software needs an update. Install any pending updates and then check if the error is resolved. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.